Just imagine texting your boss like, hey, what's up, bro? And to your friend like, dear friend, I hope you're doing splendidly. That would be a disaster, right? So हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी जगह पर कौन सी इंग्लिश यूज करनी है, फॉर्मल यूज करनी है, फिर इनफॉर्मल यूज करनी है. So today in this video we are going to look at different 15 informal phrases and their formal versions as well.
I'm not sure about this.
I'm uncertain about this.
Can you send me the details?
Could you please provide the necessary details?
Can you call me back?
Could you return my call?
Give me a hand with this.
Could you assist me with this?
Wanna grab a coffee?
Would you like to join me for a coffee?
Let's check it out.
Let's examine this.
I'm sorry I messed up.
I sincerely apologize for the mistake.
Sorry I'm late.
I apologize for being late.
Can I borrow your pen?
May I use your pen?
Can you fix it?
Could you address this issue?
I can't deal with this right now.
I am unable to handle this at the moment.
It's kinda tricky.
It is something challenging.
Thanks a lot for your help.
I greatly appreciate your assistance.
You didn't tell me.
I was not informed. ये पैसिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस को ज़्यादा फॉर्मल कंसिडर किया जाता है.
Wait for a sec.
Hold on for a moment. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.